Who want a fresh start and get trained for a career in HVAC and AC repair can apply for a scholarship.
Anita, this is a cool program. It helps somebody get started and on their way.
It's a fantastic program. So I'm going to start with Kim, who is the CEO of Fresh Start. Tell us a little bit about the organization in case people are not familiar with it.
Thank you. So Fresh Start is a nonprofit organization, a service organization providing help for women who are trying to help themselves. We focus on providing support across family stability, health and mental wellness, financial literacy, education, and resources. Our whole mission in life is to make certain that women are able to get the education and training they need to get a job that pays them well.
And here we go. So you are now partnering and getting a scholarship. And so how can clients apply for HVAC training?
Yes, and a big shout out and thank you to StrataTech and RSI for this opportunity. Just reach out to Fresh Start, freshstartwomen.org, or T. Jones at fswf.org, and we will be there to help ensure that they have access to this tremendous training.
Let's talk about the school. Stay close because there are a few more things I want to ask you. David, this is a fantastic partnership. Are you seeing more and more women interested in this field?
Absolutely. This is a great opportunity for everyone, but we would love to see more female in our student population. We know what the opportunity looks like out there once they're done and they get a diploma with us. We're placing 92% of our graduates, and I know that if we have more female population in there, they're going to get that same opportunity. So we're really happy to partner with Fresh Start and just be able to make sure we can see that happen.
Tell us about the program if someone's watching, maybe thinking I should apply. How long will you be in training? What further education do you need? How quickly do you get a job? Are you guaranteed a job?
Yeah, basically a high school diploma or GED is what they need to really come in. And we actually have a program right now that if they don't have one, they can still acquire a program through us and then get their GED while they're in school with us. But the program is roughly 7 to 9 months. And then they can get the fundamental training in HVAC so they can go out there and really get a sustainable career. There's financial aid for those who apply. And then also we are offering a scholarship, of course, as we're partnering with Fresh Start, to be able to help them. So in case there's some funding gap, we can help out.
I was going to say, in the scholarship that goes to Fresh Start takes care of everything?
Yeah, so the way it happens is when someone applies, we want them to apply for all funds available, and we provided a scholarship to help cover that gap.
Got it.
So we're really looking forward to see some, some people come through and just kind of take advantage of that, and so we can provide those funds for them and get them out there.
You guys stay close. I'm going to introduce you to Miranda. She's back here. She is not a Fresh Start client, but she is a woman who is training in this field. Good morning to you. This is intimidating. How long have you been part of the program?
For 7 months now.
And why did you decide that this is something you want to do? Mostly men, right? I mean, that's just what the numbers show.
Well, I wanted to get into a field where I would be secure with a job, and especially with it being male-dominated, women are the minority, so it's just kind of ensure that I would have something.
And living in Arizona, everyone needs an AC system, right? And everyone has issues.
Yeah, absolutely. It's a very hot state, so everyone's going to need AC at some point, so there'll always be a need for work here.
So you graduate in December. What's next?
What's next is hopefully I get into the associate program here and then hopefully find a career or maybe even start my own business one day.
Yeah, so you would have a degree after that associate, so maybe making a little bit more money and again on that path to owning your own business.
Absolutely, and RSI has a program here that helps you with that, so it's all just very easy to do and it's just a matter of time.
Would you encourage ladies to maybe take a step back and say, hey, this is something that I could probably do?
Absolutely, yeah. I believe that women have a certain skill set as well to bring to the trade as well that maybe men can't. So.
Absolutely, good job. Congratulations and best of luck to you. Okay, one thing, Kim, that we talked about really quickly was just how inspiring it is to be able to get a scholarship like this. So you're helping the ladies get off their feet emotionally, mentally, which is difficult as well. But then when they say, oh, look, there's something here to give me more hope, that's big.
That's huge. If a woman just develops the confidence and self-esteem and can see herself in a technician role, that's tremendous. Yeah. And we're giving her opportunity to see herself and be surrounded with other women. So we're doing this together. So it's not just one scholarship. There are 20 scholarships available for women to pursue this. And what happens on the flip side? 90+% placement. These are great jobs for women.
Well, and like my photographer James said, then maybe they open their own business, maybe they hire more women, maybe they train more women, and so you just keep going forward. The school is located very close to the airport in Phoenix. We'll get all the information up on the website if anyone is watching and would like to apply for a scholarship.
Anita, thank you. Great program there, and best of luck to that young woman who's there.